Hello guys, in this video we will see what is Battlefield black screen error and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step of understanding the Battlefield's black screen error content. This error manifests as the game launching, but displaying only a black screen, often accompanied by audio or a flickering cursor, or sometimes no audio at all. It prevents users from accessing the game's menu or gameplay. This issue can occur at various points, such as immediately after launching the game, during startup, splash screens, or after attempting to load into a match, indicating a failure in the game's rendering process or communication with system resources. Step: update graphics, drivers, and system software content. Outdated or corrupted graphics. Drivers are a primary cause of black screen errors. Navigate to your manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, and Intel to download and install the latest stable drivers specifically for your graphics card model. Perform a clean installation if the option is available to remove all driver files. Additionally, ensure your operating system Windows is fully updated, as critical system updates often include compatibility fixes and performance enhancements, crucial for modern games. Restart your computer after all driver and system updates are complete.
Step: verify game files and adjust in-game settings. Content corrupted or missing game files can also trigger the black screen. Utilize the game launcher's origin up Steam, Epic Games' built-in verify game files or repair function to scan and replace any damaged data if the game briefly loads before turning black. Try to access its configuration files or launch options directly. Consider adding launch parameters like window or pixel, if applicable, to force a different display mode or rendering a PI, potentially bypassing the rendering issue. If you can access the game menu, lower graphic settings or switch display modes to a common resolution. Step: would check for software conflicts and overheating content. Background applications, especially overlays from Discord, GeForce Experience, Fox Game Bar, or other recording software can conflict with Battlefield and cause display issues. Temporarily disable all non-essential background programs and overlays before launching the game. Monitor your coolant and COO temperatures using monitoring software. Excessive heat can cause components to throttle or fail, leading to display problems. Ensure adequate cooling by cleaning dust from your system's fans and heatsinks. Performing a clean boot can help isolate conflicting software.
Step: perform a clean reinstallation or seek professional support. Content: if previous steps fail, a complete reinstallation of Battlefields might be necessary. Then install the game thoroughly, including any residual files in your documents or update folders, before downloading and reinstalling it. This ensures all game files are fresh and correctly placed. If the black screen persists, the issue might stem from more complex system problems or specific hardware incompatibilities. In such cases, gather system specifications and any error logs. Then contact support or relevant hardware manufacturer support for further assistance, providing them with detailed information about the troubleshooting steps already taken.